Nokia is a legendary and iconic smartphone brand that has been around for ages. If you're on the hunt for a powerful mid-budget smartphone that packs a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel camera and a massive 7500 mAh battery, then Nokia is here to fulfill your dreams. Because Nokia is about to drop an absolute beast, the Nokia Maze Pro 5G. So, if you're thinking about grabbing this smartphone, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. Today, we're diving deep into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this device. Let's start. Features of the Nokia Maze Pro 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This phone is rumored to feature a stunning 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And guess what? It's protected by Gorilla Glass 7 for ultimate durability. Plus, you'll get an in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. It's a showstopper. The Nokia Maze Pro 5G is expected to come with a triple camera setup. The star of the show is the 200-megapixel primary camera, accompanied by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 5-megapixel macro camera. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera rumored to be onboard. Operating system. Under the hood, this beast is expected to run on the latest Android 15 operating system. And powering it all, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, yes, the same chipset that powers flagship devices. Battery backup. When it comes to battery life, the Nokia Maze Pro 5G doesn't disappoint. It's rumored to pack a 7500 mAh powerhouse, with 100-watt super fast charging support. And yes, it comes with a Type-C charging port for convenience. Price and launch date. Now, how much will it cost? Well, the Nokia Maze Pro 5G is expected to be priced around $700. As for the launch date, rumors suggest it could hit the market by the end of this year.